Hello and welcome to the Lisbon Summer School in Linguistics. My name is Julia Bosque Gil, and together with my colleague Thierry de Klerk, we'll be giving an introduction to linked open data in linguistics. So, what would you learn in this course? First, we'll provide an introduction to the semantic web, linked data, and ontology modeling, and we'll show how this is relevant to transforming your linguistic resources, linking them, and making them interoperable. We will provide an introduction to the Resource Description Framework, RDF, RDFS, and the Web Ontology language, OWL. We'll put much emphasis on explaining the core element, the RDF triple, which resembles the structure subject-predicate-object that we find in linguistics. We will provide you with an overview of the different ontologies that are out there which encode linguistic information. And you will also have the opportunity to get familiar with an ontology editor such as Protege, which in this case in my screen is showing the Lexinfo ontology. We will walk you through the de facto standard to represent lexical resources as RDF on the web, the OntoLex Lemon model, and its different modules. We will put what we learn here into practice by modeling some examples of your linguistic data and getting familiar with the RDF turtle serialization. We'll explain how you can link your resources to other external resources already converted to RDF, many of them registered in the Linked Open Data Cloud. One of the resources that we will look at with some level of detail is BabelNet because it illustrates the potential of using semantic technologies to represent and link initially separated but complementary linguistic data. So hope to see you all there in Lisbon. Thank you.